Good afternoon, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson and I am Damascus bound, going on another listing appointment. Been working with these people for several years now and I think they're finally ready to make a move. We'll see you there. Back in beautiful Damascus, well technically Gaithersburg because we're in Plantations too, my old stomping grounds. Let's take it to one. One step closer to being one step closer. They are almost ready. I got to get my construction crew through here to do a couple cleanups because the people that come in and do some of the stuff they're not even happy with. So I'm gonna get a crew in here, clean it up a little bit more, then the sucker should be on the market very soon. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.